Alrighty, time for some more vocab. Distributive property. It's actually one of my favorite properties and one of the most useful we have. Okay, so distributive property says, let A, B, and C be real numbers. A, now notice, I kind of like, this is like football plays, right? Let me write it out like this. A times B plus C. So, we like share. You guys know how to share, right? You learned that when you were little. A times B plus A times C. So A times B plus A times C. And this is useful when you're not able to combine the stuff inside because they're not like terms. And we'll talk about that in a second too. But again, notice here, A times B plus C is AB plus AC. We can also put the A on the back side and get the exact same thing, right? Because AB and BA are the same. AC and CA are the same. Now, it works technically with subtraction, because subtraction is nothing more than addition with a negative. What I'm really saying there is like 2 minus 3 is the same as 2 plus a negative 3. That's why this works with subtraction. Because technically it's called the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Alrighty, so again, if you put it on the back side, it works as well, so that doesn't change anything. So example-wise, if I said I had 3 times A plus B, that'd be 3A plus 3B. And remember, you can't combine those into like 6AB or something weird like that. They have to be like terms in order to add them. So a term is a number, a variable, or the product of a number and one or more variables. Notice I said product, not addition, not sum, rather. So 4 is a term. X is a term. XY is a term. 237 A squared B X is a term. I know you're excited by that. A constant is a term with no variable, so the number 4. The number negative 312. It's constant. It doesn't change. It doesn't vary. Right? Any variable, automatically not a constant. Coefficient is the numerical factor of a term. So if I have 3x, that 3 right there is the coefficient, the number in front. Or negative 23xyz. The negative 23, that's your coefficient. Alrighty, like terms. Terms, now this is really important. Terms that have the same variable to the same power. For instance, 4x and negative 32x are like terms. I'm allowed to add them. That's what it means to be like terms. I'm allowed to add them. A x squared y and, let's say 42 a x squared y are like terms. Same variables, same powers. I'll tell you what's not like terms. If I have x squared and x, not like terms. If I have a squared b and ab squared, not like terms. Same variables, but the powers are different. Really important to remember that.